Hello guys, New Year is coming and so I decided to make a 2020 calendar but with a slight twist. This is a storage box which is also a 2020 calendar. So please keep watching for the entire video. First you take a black chart paper and 4 cardboard pieces and stick it on the chart paper. I have already inserted scrapbook paper on one side, which is going to be the inside of the box. Keep some space between the two cardboard pieces. Fold all the 4 corners. Cut off the excess strip. Cut out triangles as shown. Apply glue over the extra piece and stick it on the corner. Now I have taken a small cardboard piece and I'm using it as the base. On one side I've added black chart paper, which is the inside, and on the next side I'm sticking the four sides to it and pressing it so that it sticks nicely. I have already printed out monthly calendar. I'm sticking it as shown. And do this for like all the 12 months. Monthly calendar printouts are available on Google, so you all can download any template you all want. I have taken a normal black and white one, but if you all want, you all can also take colored ones. Now I'll be making the lid of the box. For this I've taken cardboard pieces and stuck scrapbook paper on one side, and on the other side I'm going to use the other paper which I'm sticking all the pieces on, and that's going to be the outer side. After sticking all of these, just cut as shown. Stick the pieces to make a box. The lid measurement should be 0.5 centimeters more than the box measurement so that the lid fits easily into the box. Decorate the box as you want. I've added tapes everywhere so that it just looks better. And here is your box with a calendar for your table desk ready. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel.